Hi guys, and this is the last episode that we have for the series. If you have really enjoyed watching this entire series, then you will love this episode. It's going to be really clean, crisp and very, very cute. Yes, I'm going to talk about a favorite topic of mine again, working with the media, which tells you what kind of content you can create to make sure that you maximize your brand potential. So, please understand, the media today is inundated with information. There is so much content, there is so much of brand work that happens everywhere. So, what can you do to stay relevant, to stay realistic and stay engaged with your audience? What I suggest is, the next time you have a brand message, try breaking it down into different buckets. For example, there can be a big news, there can be a kiddie scoop, there can be an emergency news, and there can be a daily news. In such a scenario, what happens is, if there's a brand promotion or a huge brand engagement that you want to talk about, you might want to put it in the big news. An emergency news is something that is more of a crisis communication that, God forbid, should happen or shouldn't happen very often. A kiddie scoop is something that you can talk about in social media. Let's say an Instagram post, let's say a Facebook post, something that keeps your audience engaged every day. A daily news could be something that happens with your product or your brand on an everyday basis. So when you start breaking your news into different buckets, what happens is you have the potential to reach the right audience through the right media channels. Very, very important. Make sure that you know how to filter your brand into a media bucket and make sure that you are talking to the right media channels to ensure brand engagement every single day consistently. If you have loved this series, then I'm sure you'll love my ebook even more, which is going to be out soon. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching this entire series. And if you've been wondering where is this amazing place where I've been doing this shoot, then you have to come to the Bohemians Cafe in Mansarovar, Jaipur. The ambience is completely mind-blowing, and trust me, the pizzas and burgers, they are simply ooh. So make sure that you get your big gang out here, look at the lovely decor, look at the great food and have a good time out here. Check out this place.